So today we're going to talk about layering up in your garden. So we're going to make sure that we've got some diversity, even in a very, very small space, diversity of structure. So all the way from your ground covers, having some shrubs and then a tree layer in your garden. And we can fit in these very tall, narrow trees into small urban backyards, things like your cabbage tree and your rewa, and then fit some shrubs underneath like Olearia. But then of course we're going to move down to including some nice ground cover to replace lawn. So some Leptonella in there and some fuchsia procumbens, the smallest fuchsia in the world. Beautiful flowers. This is great messy habitat for birds. They love it with the cabbage tree leaves. And add some vines in as well.